Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a buyer on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find the welcome back sentence with your name or your username right there. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, or you don't even have an account, you will find at the top right corner a sign in option, and so instead of those icons, if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account, or even to create your account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do those both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you are here, and if you if you use one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this welcome back sentence and with this homepage as we said. So of course, as we said earlier in this video, how to block a buyer on Etsy website. So of course, if you want to block someone on Etsy, you have to go to their profile page. So let me just go to, let's say as an example, this item, and all I need to do is scroll down until I find the owner of it. Let's say as an example, I want to block this buyer. So once I click on that, as you can see, they will take me into his shop, and now I need just to go to the owner right here and click at his name. That will take me into his profile picture. So then all you need to do, just go and click at the block option. Where you're gonna find that, just scroll down and you'll find it here at the bottom line of this person of this page. Just go and click on it, and as you can see, you are about to block this. Once you are blocked, once they are blocked, they will no longer be able to follow you. So just go and hit the block, and as you can see, now this buyer is blocked. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.